Selling your car privately? Here's what you need to know. As the seller, you'll need to gather and fill out some documents. You'll need a certificate of title, an odometer statement if the car is less than 10 years old, and you might need a rebuilt from salvage disclosure if the car has sustained enough damage in the past. After you have a serious buyer, the next step is to fill out a bill of sale. You can download a copy on the DMV's website. Next, you'll need to transfer the title to its new owner. You'll need to hand over the current title, have the bill of sale filled out, and exchange payment. If you need a replacement title, you can request a duplicate title by filling out the form shown above. Once you've handed over the title, you'll need to hang on to your old license plates. Be sure to remove them before the new owner takes possession of the vehicle. You can transfer them to another vehicle you own, or you can return them to the DMV. Now, the last thing you need to do is to fill out the vehicle resale notification form. This will make sure you aren't held liable for any sort of legal trouble the vehicle could be involved with in the future. You can find this form on the DMV's website. Looking for a place to do most of this in one spot? Visit privateauto.com.